Wealth is really divided into two. A wealth that you consumed whilst you was on this earth, this is not yours and you can't claim it. Or wealth that you left behind for your children and they inherited it, that's not wealth that you can claim. The wealth that you really own, which is the second, is the wealth that you have put forward, that you gave it for Allah's sake, that you spent it in the cause of Allah. That wealth is yours and it's waiting for you on the other side. The Prophet, he told us in a hadith, and Imam Muslim narrated in his Sahih, يقول ابن آدم, and the children of Adam will say the day of judgment, Mali, Mali, my wealth, my wealth. The Prophet then said, وَهَلْ لَكَ إِلَّا مَا أَكَلْتَ فَأَفْنَيْتَ أَوْ لَبِسْتَ فَأَبْلَيْتَ أَوْ تَصَدَّقْتَ فَأَمْضَيْتَ. He divided the wealth into these three or two. Wealth that you consumed, you ate it, you used it, you took it to the toilets. Or wealth that you wore as clothing and that clothes wore out. Or wealth, تصدقت فأمضيت. You put it forward. You put it on the other side. And inshallah you wait for it on the other side. You will receive its reward. The Prophet one day came to his wife Aisha. He said, Aisha, the meat that was brought to us, the meat that was brought to us, what's left? She said, Ya Rasulullah, every part of it I gave it out, إِلَّا الْكَتِفِ, except the shoulder, because the Prophet used to love the shoulder. She said, everything else I gave it out. And then the messenger corrected his wife straight away. He said, Aisha, every part of this meat remains for us except the shoulder. We own what we give out. The shoulder is what we're going to eat. That's not for us. Are we all together, brothers? The wealth that you claim and that is yours, inshallah ta'ala, is the money that you gave on the other side. That's the wealth that inshallah ta'ala will benefit you.